On this one here, very basic and simple. You already practice tan, pack. Now put them on straight on, coming in to attack them. Very basic and simple. Let me show you how to do this here. So basically when you pack him, tan, pack, and soon the hand coming to defend, pack this hand down. And this hand here, like that. And that's all there is to it. Keep in straight line, and that's all you keep the movement in line so you don't get attacked. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for that. Very, on this one here, very basic and simple movement again. Tan, pack, jump cái头落嚟. That means chop the head off. Let me show you here how to do this one here. Tan, take the hand here, and then totally block this hand, cross this hand here like that, and then chop the hand down, bam, like straight to the neck here. So the hand have to go together with that movement there. Line on here, line like this, so we won't be able to attack you. Okay, very basic and simple. So the movement is coming in, line, hand, boom, boom, come straight for course like that. So make sure to jump cái头落嚟. Okay, thank you for that. Okay. On this one here, very basic and simple again. When you practice it, basic movement here, hands out, attack, and then using this hand to wrap it around, lap out, like this to control the line on that. Very basic movement here. So make sure the lap is going to be like that. Lap out. That's when you practice the movement there. Okay, thank you. On this one here, basic and simple movement again, as you've been practiced. On this one here, cool. Hands out, and then come in, laps out, and then jump onto the neck. That's how you practice the movement. Let me show you here. So, turn on the hand, then attack, line, lap, halfway, because he don't want to go, he stay. Soon he stay, jump. That's all there is to it. Quick and simple. Grab the hand, control, boom, to the neck of that, and that's what dealt with him there. Okay, basic movement there. So what happens is when you come in, and that's how you deal with him. Basic and simple movement. Okay, thank you for that. On this one here, very basic and simple movement. When you practice a lot, tan, ja means grab, ja, da, boom, da, that means punch. Okay, on the chest, and make sure to hang your chest up. Let me show you how to do that. Hand here, tan, da. Keep out of the way. This hand here, grab, and this hand here, punch. Arm like this, straight, like that to control the line. Okay, thank you for that. Very. On this one here, on this basic movement here, very simple again. When you practice tan, and then coming in, bam, 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 attacking a jig choy. Straight punch coming in. You've been see and practice that already. So the hand position is coming here, like this, here, like that, to make sure you hurt him. And then this hand follow like that, coming into the chest. And make sure you don't bash him in the face. Don't make him too ugly. Okay, thank you for that. On this one here, basic movement and simple again. When you want to practice, tan, jig choy coming in here, and then jig jung coming in. Jig jung can be in the face or in the body. Anywhere straight, it's a jung on the palm. Let me show you how to do this. So basically, hand like this, attack him. Grab this hand, boom, attack to the chest. Bring this hand across like this and here, and boom, jig jung. Straight to the ribcage and broken somebody's rib. Okay, thank you for that. On this one here, basic movement and simple. What you want to learn to understand is pack and then turn and to ja and then pai chan. Pai chan means straight elbow to the chest or anything cross. That means pai chan. Let me show you here how to do this so you know exactly how to pay somebody. So put the hand here, hand, grab this arm here, and this hand is like using that elbow like this, pai, like that to the chest here. Okay, all to his face here. If you want him to have a new teeth. Okay, thank you for that. On this one here, the basic movement on is a ting chan. What a ting chan is mean straight elbow. Can be on his face, and his on his chest, can be anywhere you want to be. Let me show you how to do this. So, tan, da, ja, and then from here move, from here, ting, like that. Ting is like force it out, like that. Anything like that, ting, boom, to the chest of that and get rid of him. Okay, think of that. On this one here, onto the movement here, it's called pai, or this called downward elbow. Very basic, simple, I can show you. So the basic hand of this block here, the idea of this is raise and elbow come down. So it can be across the collarbone here or straight down to the chest like that. Okay. So soon that come in, you go like boom down here on the movement there to the chest here to get rid of him. Okay, think of that. Very basic movement there to learn to understand. Cup can be like that way or can be straight down like that onto the elbow to the chest. That's all there is to it. Spend some time to practice with that. I will see you on to the next lesson.